Hi everyone. So let's see the demo of this example. We have some queries and mutations. We can just take a look onto them. Okay, I'm running the MongoDB from Docker Compose, and in the .env, I'm running this locally, not on the container. So I provided the localhost 27017, but this MongoDB is running on some Docker container. Okay, so here we have our document, query, mutations, and subscription. If you look at the query, these are our query. You can just see here is our query, and so if we talk about the users, which will give you the list of users, right? So just run this query. It will give you the list of users which exist in the system and user by ID. We can actually copy this ID and we can trigger this one. What we need to do, we just pass the ID so that we can get the user by ID query. Okay, this works, right? Now other than that, we have the mutations. In the mutations we have, like, you can create a user. So I'm talking about sign up. Here you can start with a username, email is like abc@gmail.com, and the password, just wrap it with the double quotes. Okay, our payload is valid. We'll just trigger this, and username is unique, right? So let's say test one. We are not handling this error, so we should have done this. We are getting this token, and now we can do the sign in. All these other APIs we can test, right? So this is about how to trigger, how to handle the queries, how to write the resolvers and the schema definitions, and then run them with the server. I mean, running them is very simple once you have the resolvers and the schema definitions already created, and testing them with this different GraphQL clients. We just go there, just check the document, whatever you are having, what all queries, what all mutations you have. And this tool is really helpful because I don't need to write any queries or mutations. I can just do add query or add mutations, and it gives me everything in the this left hand side, and I can just run the query by passing these variable arguments: username, password, email. Okay, so this is it about the phase 2. And in the phase 3, I already have created a lot of videos, so I will add this in the playlist, which talks about first understanding the MySQL with the sequelize, and then writing the GraphQL queries and mutations, which are actually doing insert, update, delete in the MySQL tables. Okay, thanks everyone.